The global economy is on shaky ground. Will 2025 bring recovery or deeper turmoil? The October 2025 World Economic Outlook paints a picture of a global economy still struggling to find its footing. While there's a slight upward revision in the near-term forecast, the overall outlook remains bleak. Think of it like a ship navigating through a storm. The winds have eased slightly, but the waters are still choppy and the horizon is far from clear. But here's where it gets controversial. Is this just a temporary lull before another wave of economic challenges hits, or are we witnessing a fundamental shift in the global economic landscape? The report highlights a world adjusting to a new reality shaped by shifting policies. While extreme tariff hikes have been partially rolled back, the overall environment remains volatile. Temporary boosts from earlier in the year are fading, leaving growth projections subdued. Global growth is expected to slow from 3.3% in 2024 to 3.1% in 2026, with advanced economies lagging behind emerging markets. Inflation, though projected to decline globally, remains a concern, particularly in the United States where it's expected to stay above target. And this is the part most people miss. The risks are heavily skewed towards the downside. Prolonged uncertainty, rising protectionism, and labor shortages could further stifle growth. Fiscal vulnerabilities, potential financial market corrections, and threats to the independence of economic institutions add to the precariousness. So, what's the solution? The report urges policymakers to take decisive action. Rebuilding trust through credible, transparent, and sustainable policies is crucial. This means a delicate balance of trade diplomacy, macroeconomic adjustments, and strengthening fiscal buffers. Central bank independence must be safeguarded, and structural reforms need to be accelerated. The report delves deeper into these challenges through its chapters. Chapter 1, Global Prospects and Policies, paints a detailed picture of the current economic landscape, emphasizing the risks of protectionism, labor market challenges, and financial vulnerabilities. It calls for proactive policy measures to navigate these turbulent waters. Chapter 2, Emerging Market Resilience, Good Luck or Good Policies, explores the factors behind the resilience of emerging markets in recent years. It highlights the importance of sound policy frameworks in weathering economic storms, contrasting them with the vulnerabilities of economies with weaker institutions. Chapter 3, Industrial Policy, Managing Trade-offs to Promote Growth and Resilience, examines the growing trend of industrial policy. While it can boost strategic sectors, the chapter cautions about potential drawbacks like higher consumer prices, fiscal strain, and unintended consequences for other sectors. The report concludes by emphasizing the need for bold and coordinated action. The global economy is at a crossroads, and the choices made by policymakers today will shape the future for years to come. Do you think the world is ready to face these challenges head-on, or are we headed for a period of prolonged economic uncertainty? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. For a deeper dive into the data and analysis, download the full report. https://www.mf.org/media/files/2025/October/English/text.hx https://media/files/2025/October/English/text.hx. Explore previous issues and related publications on the IMF website, https://www.mf.org/en/publications/WEO, https://www.mf.org/en/publications/WEO